Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can add friends on Discord. So first, open your Discord application, or you can also use the web version of Discord, that is discord.com, and log into your specific account. You'll see your username from the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and access your user profile. You'll get the option of copy user ID in the menu that appears. Select it. It is a unique user ID which includes a tag number, and you can share this with your friends and family so that they can add you, or you can ask them for their user ID. To add a friend, click on the Friends tab, then tap on Add Friend option. Here you can enter the username and tap on Send Friend Request. Go through a verification process, and you'll see the indication that your friend request to that specific person was sent. Otherwise, you can also go ahead and explore discoverable servers. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.